Hello, all fire signs. How are you all? And I hope you are doing great, wonderful, amazing, safe, wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing to the channel, for giving me lots of love. And I'm glad that I help you out in some manner. This is the fire sign reading, which includes Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay, please check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign and take whatever is resonating according to your situation and leave the rest. And this is the reading for 11/11 portal reading for all fire signs. Okay, either you are having sunshine, moonshine, or Venus sign in the fire element. Okay, so let's start and let's see what this 11/11 portal is bringing, the messages, the energies for all the fire signs all over the world. If you like my video, then please like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and you can also let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. Okay, please guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me, help me out to deliver the important messages for all fire signs, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Messages for 11/11 portal, which I want to deliver, which is important to deliver for all fire signs. You need to write down positive affirmations. Okay, please give me the messages, and please, I'm sorry for the background noise here. The firecrackers are bursting out. Okay, the first message is massage, then there is sweet treat, build strength, nourish your temple. One more message for fire signs, dream journal and create art. Bottom of the deck I'm having make a meal. So you can make a meal, means you can cook food here, make a meal. Okay, then there is create art. You being in fire sign, you have lot of creativity, art energy inside of you, the fire energy inside of you. So you can use your fire energy in making food, in making meals, in doing your art, in creating the art here. Okay, so you can do the painting, the coloring, the cooking. Okay, then there is dream journal. So maybe there is a message here in your dream, so you can write it down in your dream journal. Make a diary and write all the dreams in that journal here. Then there is sweet treat. So you can also cook food. Okay, you can also make sweet treats for your own self, or treat yourself with cupcakes, cookies, fruits, toffees, strawberry muffins. Okay, so make a sweet treat for your own self. Then there is massage and nourish your temple here. So you can take a massage, body massage for yourself, and nourish your body temple, nourish your temple here. There is a message for nourishing your temple here. Then there is build strength. So you can do the exercise, the yoga, the gym, and that will help you out in building your strength. And your third eye is also getting activated through these gyms and exercises. Maybe you can feel vibrations on your third eye. Okay, so let's see more messages from the secret forest. Please give me the messages for the fire sign, what this 11/11 portal is bringing for the fire signs, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Please give me the messages. What is the messages for the fire sign? What is the energy 11/11 bringing? What this portal is bringing for the fire signs? Chaos. Bottom of the deck I'm having magic, moonlight, enchantment, and there is storm spirit, chaos. So maybe there are chaos and conflicts which is happening in your life. This is the tower moment. Okay, the tower is happening in your life here, so do not worry at all. And I can see here 42, 4 plus 2 is equal to 6, and this is 5, 2 plus 7, 6 and 7. You are ascending in a forward direction here. Okay, whatever chaos, whatever divine intervention is happening in your life, that is happening good for you. Okay, because divine intervention is always good. In my reading I always says that divine intervention is good. Okay, because whenever we have to make the necessary decisions, the necessary steps to take in our life, and we do not do that, then divine has to intervene in our situations, and they make the situations so that we can make the decisions here in your life. So this is beautiful. And the storm spirits is also all about healing. So this portal, 1111 portal, is bringing you lot of activations, the activator for the healing. Basically, whatever chaos has happened in your life, this portal is bringing healing for you. Okay, so this is beautiful here. Now let's see the next message, which is moonlight enchantment here. This is magic is all around you. The veil between the worlds is thin right now. The fairies, elves, angels, and spirits are being just with you, a thought away. Okay, it is indeed a magical universe, and the key to opening the doors to those realms is to trust. So there is magic all around yourself. You just need to trust the universe, trust to those magical universe. Okay, so this is beautiful. Believe in the magic, and you are being given to powerful mystical messages from the spirits. So maybe the message is that the universe is trying to communicate with you, or maybe you are not trusting, but you need to keep the trust in the magic, keep the trust in the angels and the universe. So this is beautiful. Let's see more. Thank you for giving the messages. Let's see more messages from the animal spirits. What are the messages for the fire signs, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius? Please give me one message. Koi fish spirit, there is always enough. Okay, there is always enough for everyone. There is koi fish spirit, and which says there's always enough here. Again, 3 plus 6, 9. You are going through ascension process in a forward direction. You are moving in a forward direction, fire signs. Okay, I can see the sun message here before you. Okay, wow, beautiful. See, that's the energy, because in this 1111 portal, the crown chakra is being getting activated. You can feel the vibrations and the energies on your crown chakra. And here I can see 7th chakra, Archangel Uriel, which is telling me that your crown chakra is getting activated in this 1111 portal. Definitely right now you have to keep your strength. Angel of strength is with you. So this is beautiful. And I can see here that there is lot of number synchronicities in your reading. I have not seen in my previous reading I have done till now. I've done the starseed reading, the twin flame readings, the Aquarius readings. I have not seen this thing. In each deck I'm using, I'm seeing the ascension here, like 5, 6, 7. Here also I'm having 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Then there is 5. And here also I'm having the number synchronicities of ascension here. Your 5th chakra, Archangel Gabriel, that means your thought chakra is getting activation here. So a lot of activations happening for you. This 1111 portal is bringing lot of chakra activations for you. Now you can easily communicate and express your truth. Okay, here let me see more messages. Please give me messages for fire signs. Hostilities. What are the messages for fire signs? Wow. See, again the storm warning is here. So definitely there is a tower movement which is going to happen, but do not worry at all. Okay, then there is 4th chakra, Archangel Raphael. Your heart chakra is also getting activated here. Okay, so maybe a lot of healing is happening now. You can easily feel and express your love too. Okay, there is hostilities around yourself, so be aware of this energy here. And there is world, again 9 plus 2 is equal to 11. Okay, and bottom of the deck, can you see 10 and 11? This is how your reading is going on. There is an ascension, spiritual ascension, which is taking place for you, fire signs. This 1111 portal is bringing the spiritual ascension for you. You're closing out the old cycles and you're starting the new cycles here. Okay, let me see more messages for fire signs. Any other messages for fire sign? Wow, actions. Maybe right now you are feeling like a broken heart. That's why the heart chakra is getting here. The fourth chakra, Archangel Gabriel, is here to heal your broken heart. Maybe you are having the broken heart, but do not worry, your heart chakra is going to get healed in this process here. Okay, again 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. 11 11 here again. So this 11 11 is bringing the heart chakra healing and the completion of the old cycles. You are ending old cycles and you're starting new beginnings, new cycles here. You are ending old cycles, and activation of heart chakra is more important here in this reading. Then there is action. So now you're going to take actions in a forward direction here. So this is beautiful. Now you know what is right, what is wrong for you. That's the Chariot energy. So that means you're not going to get stuck in one place. Okay, so let's see more messages. Thank you for giving the messages. Please give me the messages for the fire signs. What are the messages for the fire signs? I have saw 11 11. Transformation is taking place for you, definitely. Whatever challenges you are facing, see, I just saw challenges and it comes out. Whatever challenges you are going through in your life, fire signs, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, these challenges are making you become a beautiful butterfly. You're going through this process of spiritual ascension because of these challenges, because these challenges are making you more beautiful than before. Okay, so let's see more messages. You do not have to lose your hope. Okay, keep your courage, because these, I know, facing these challenges, maybe you can feel discouraged, but do not feel discouraged. Keep your courage. Okay, keep your courage with you, because I told you this, these challenges are making you more beautiful. See, paradise, and bottom of the deck I'm having wisdom. There's a lot of wisdom, which is because of these challenges you becoming, there is a lot of wisdom, there is a lot of spiritual ascension which is coming up for you. Family, you have to, okay, forgiveness, health and work. Okay, forgiveness is also required in your case. Again 11 number is here. So this 11 11 portal, you have to learn to forgive anyone who has hurt you in the past, and even forgive yourself too. Okay, forgiveness is required here, fire signs, because being forgiveness, if you have not forgive, okay, anyone in the past and even yourself, you are carrying that hurt energy inside of you. So you need to forgive each and every person who has hurt you in the past, and even yourself too, so that you can release that hurt from your body, from your energy field, from your soul. Okay, there is happy family, happy life, family time. So you are going to spend some happy time with your family here. Then there is health. So if you are not feeling good by health wise, so a lot of health, prosperity and abundance is coming for you in this 1111 portal. Okay, your health is going to improve. Then there is work. So new work opportunities are coming up for you here. Okay, this 1111 portal is bringing you work opportunities. So this is beautiful. Thank you for giving the messages. Let me add one message from the Whispers of Love. Please give me one message for the fire signs. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Please give me one message for the fire sign. Okay. The message is, love makes the difference. Love helps heal past hurts and provides a sense of security and self-worth. Okay. So message, what I can perceive from this reading is that there is a heartbroken, you are having heartbroken here. So something has happened in your life which make you broken your heart. Okay, but do not worry at all, because love helps you out to heal the past. 1441 is the recording reading time. So whatever past hurts are there, still there inside of you, fire signs, love will help you out in healing that past hurts and providing you security and self-worth. That's why the message was that you need to forgive, because maybe you are still carrying out that wound. That's why you're still feeling that broken heart. But do not worry at all, because this portal is bringing you the healing which you required. 15:15 is the recording reading time. Your heart chakra is getting healed, is getting open up. Archangel Raphael is giving you the healing which is required to heal your heart. Okay, so this is beautiful message. Even I can feel the pain of yours right now. Okay, let's move ahead and let's see what are the message from the whispers of Ganesha. Let's see what is the message you want me to deliver for the fire signs: Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Again, heart chakra message I can see here. This portal is bringing you the heart chakra and the crown chakra activation for you. Okay, enlightenment and fulfillment. Maybe you can see a lot of number synchronicities of 69, 96, 1616 is the recording reading time. So your heart chakra, your crown chakra is getting activated here. So you can feel vibrations on your heart chakra, on your crown chakra, and 1111 portal is all about your crown chakra here. So because there is definitely a heart chakra activation healing which is happening for you fire signs, and this is very beautiful. This portal is bringing you beautiful energies, I can say that. Thank you Ganesha for giving the beautiful messages. Let's see messages from the angels and ancestors. Please give me the messages for the fire sign. Please give me one message. Again, medicine guardian, be open to the healing information. You required healing on your heart chakra, and this portal is bringing the healing for your heart chakra, but you just need to open up to the healing information which is there for you. And there is animal guardian, trust your instincts. So follow your intuition, follow your instincts, and follow the messages which you receive through animals, because maybe animals are trying to give you the messages which you need to listen to them. So maybe there is a crow, a deer, panther, birds, owl, any animal. Okay, so trust the animal guardian here. Okay, trust your instincts. You will receive some messages through animals. Thank you for giving the messages. Let's see messages from angels guide for the fire sign. Please give me the messages for the fire sign. Please give me the messages for the fire sign. Raise your vibrations. That's the message I'm receiving here. Let's see. What is the message you want me to deliver for the fire signs? See, I told you. Raise your vibrations. You need to raise your vibrations here. Vulnerability and freedom, and you need to surrender yourself to the universe, to the divine, and trust that everything is happening according to the divine plan. There is freedom and vulnerability which is coming up for you, and you need to raise your vibrations. Okay, so that's the message I'm receiving here from the angels. Thank you angels for giving the messages. Let me add one message. Your third chakra, Vishuddha, and there is Dhumvanti from the yogic part. So Dhumvanti is all about letting go anything which is not serving you, and this is your throat chakra activation, which I told you that your throat chakra is getting activated. Now let me read it out from the book also. If you want to let me know anything, you can also let me know in the comment sections. Okay, so this is the goddess of disappointment and letting go. So you, my darling, have finally realized that all of the hardships and struggles you have faced were brought on your path for a very important reasons. I told you this, that whatever challenges you have faced or you are facing right now in your life, whatever heartbreaks, challenges, whatever you are facing, These challenges have made you more beautiful than before. Okay, they're making you to reach to your highest version. Okay, this was happening because of an important reason. They have shaped you to be the person you are today. You have put together the dots on all most difficult points on your journey and realized that it was all necessary to be here now. Dhumanti has come to remind you to give thanks to the struggles you have faced. They have made your highest self. So this is beautiful and very important message here, that you have to say thanks to all those persons who have hurt you in the past, who are all those struggles which you have faced, and because of those persons and because of those struggles you have become your highest self. Okay, literally I'm feeling like crying. So I'm sending you lots of healing. You require it, but you have to let go all those things. Forgiveness is required in your case, and your thought chakra is getting activated, your heart chakra is getting activated. So that's the message I'm receiving here for you. Now let's see more messages. Please give me the messages for the fire signs. Let me add one message for the Lovers Oracle. Some of you can be dealing with a twin flame. Okay, there is a twin flame message here. Your passion ignites. So if you are in a twin flame journey, fire signs Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, your passion has been ignited again between you and your twin flame. So some of you are in a twin flame journey. And second one is, emotions are a natural and necessary part of life, but they can also distort your perception and cloud your visions. In order to see things clearly, you must let go of resentment. The same message is here again and again, that you have to let go of the resentment, you have to let go anything hurts which you are still carrying on. So you need to do that as soon as possible here, fire signs, so that you can receive the beautiful things, because you are becoming more aligned here. And surrender, same messages here. You need to surrender yourself, okay, to the divine, to the universe. Surrender yourself, trust in the universe, trust in the divine plan. Okay, then there is alignment. You are becoming more aligned with your highest self. Okay, so this is beautiful. Your all chakras, can you see in this picture, there are all chakras which are getting aligned here. Your kundalini is rising basically. So this is beautiful. This portal is bringing you lot of beautiful messages, I can say that. Okay, so thank you for giving the messages. Now let's see messages from the Secret Indian Tarot deck. So this is the Oracle Tarot deck. Let's see what are the messages for the fire sign for 1111 portal. Please give me the messages for the fire sign. Please give me the messages. Justice. Please give me the messages. Temperance. What is the message you want me to deliver? Chariot and the World again, bottom of the deck. Okay, so you're going to move in a forward direction here, right? There is a karmic justice which is going to serve in your case. Okay, this is the karmic justice which is going to serve in your case. Right now you have to keep your temperance, your patience here. You're not going to get stuck. Okay, see, I just cut it out. Maybe right now you're feeling like in hangman, you are unable to move, but no, you are not going to be in this energy for long period of time. You will move in a forward direction, as the chariot knows what is right and what is wrong. Okay, see again, the hermit and the chariot, the hermit and the hangman has come again here. Okay, you're closing out a cycle, you are ending the cycles of hangman energies. Okay, just do your inner work, complete your healing, do the meditation, look the answers from within your soul, within yourself, because hermit is here. Maybe you are doing it already, that's why the hermit is here. So that's the message I'm receiving. Thank you for giving the messages. Let me add one message from the Witch's Wisdom Oracle deck, then I'm going to close out your reading. Okay, what is the message for the fire signs? Clearance is here, so you have to do your energy clearing. Okay, please give me one message for the fire signs. Shadow. You have to work on your shadow self here. Let me read it out from the book also. You are using only half of your true potential. Understand the importance of duality in all you do. Knowing yourself fully will enhance your magical work. Something is being hidden from you. Open your eyes. Okay, so through this mirror lives a powerful that you have been avoided. Focusing on only on the qualities of light can only serve half of you who you are. There is no point in denying the part of you that you are refusing to see when shadow shows up. Look again and face your shadow self. There is nothing to fear for this part of who you are. The light cannot exist without the dark, and when recognized, completes the duality of light and dark, goddess and god within you. Once acknowledged and accepted, you will get to know your shadow side, learn its ways and its vulnerabilities until you recognize and understand this alternative power that's reside in you. It takes great skill to observe it and to know when and what to take from it. When the situation arises, shadow cannot exist without the light. From the shadows comes the light. By knowing yourself fully in this way, you strengthen your energy and increase your personal powers. So this is beautiful because once you know that what's your shadow self, it will also help you out in healing also. Once you know that what is your shadow self, then only you can able to know on what area you need to work on. And yes, this is my shadow self, I accepted it. Okay, so that's what I can have, what I am having right now for you, my fire signs. I hope it will help you out in some manner, sending you lots of healing light and happy energies because you required extra dose from my side. So yes, sending you lots of healing light and happy energies to all my fire signs, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. If you have not subscribed yet to the channel, then please like, share and subscribe to the channel. And till the time, take care of yourself and see you soon.